Bonjour friends and happy French Friday to you. I wanted just to start by apologizing that I did not get a video out to you last French Friday because our oldest son graduated from college, and so we went out of town for his graduation. And also in today's video I thought I would just share what I've been up to here lately. My oldest son had bought me this Anne of Green Gables, the Emma book, Sense and Sensibility, and the Little Women book. And he had bought them for me for Christmas, and he knew that I really wanted the Pride and Prejudice one as well, but they were sold out at the time, and every time he'd go back to try to get it for me, they were still sold out. And whenever I would visit him while he was at college, I would go there and check it out to see if I could find the one I was missing, and they were always sold out as well. So finally this time we were there at this bookstore, and they did have it in stock this time, so I was glad to be able to pick this up. So I did buy this while I was out of town, so I thought I would share this with you. I love these books, and they're just classic ones, and I love the colors on here, and then the gold pages here, and I love the this light, kind of that robin egg blue color at the top, that, or I call it a French blue color. I just think these are so pretty and so well done, and this was $12.99 at the bookstore. While we were at the bookstore, Mr. French Farmhouse spotted this really pretty picture, and sorry about the glare on it, but I wanted to share the price first before I take it out of the plastic. So this is a Joan of Arc picture by a French artist, and we picked that up for $20, and the size is 8x8. It does come in all different sizes at this store, and we just chose this size. And I just need to find a nice frame that will fit it and look really good with it. And here it is, signed here by the French artist. We both loved this picture when we saw it, and it also reminded us of a Joan of Arc statue that's right outside of a church in a village not far from our village in France. And so just reminded us of that. And also, I don't think I've mentioned before on my channel, but my husband's great-grandfather comes from the very same region in France that Joan of Arc is from. They also carry a really nice Joan of Arc book at this bookstore, but I already have one that I thrifted a while back. Okay, the next thing I wanted to share with you and what I've been up to lately here is getting ready for a vintage spring market pop-up show. If you are local here in California or going to be in California, I would love to meet you and see you at the pop-up show. It will be Mother's Day weekend, May 11th, and I hope to see you there. If you're able to come and bring your mom or your daughter, that would be great. And don't forget to come up to me and say hi and introduce yourself. I would love to meet you. I have been working on lots of different projects to get ready for this show, and a while back I had used this copper Annie Sloan gilding wax on the sheep and lamb hair. And when my mom came out to visit, she loved these and thought they looked so neat, and she wondered what I did to them and how I did it. And so I thought, you know what, I never shared that on my channel, how I did this. And so I thought, I have these little chicks here, and so I thought I could show you what I did. and to make these look like copper. These bowl molds were originally came from Michael's store, and I'm just going to share with you how I got this copper look, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing to this as I did to the sheep and the little lamb. So first I'm just going to be taking a paintbrush and applying the copper gilding wax onto the little chicks here. And if you wanted to leave them this lighter color, you certainly could. And it's really pretty as is with just this copper gilding wax. But to me, I wanted to give them a more aged look with a more of an aged patina to them, and so that they're not like a brand new shiny copper look. So I wanted to go ahead and use this antique dark wax over top, and I'm using the Folk Art brand wax, just going over it. And if you do this and you feel like you've put on too much, you can always wipe back a little bit with a napkin and take some off if you feel like you've put too much on. But it's super easy to work with, and you just I'm just brushing it on with a brush here, and then I just let it dry, and it's an easy DIY, and here it is all done, and I'm happy with how it turned out. I have been painting all different kinds of projects here, getting ready for the show, and I'm painting these two candlesticks just by using the Rust-Oleum matte white paint. I also have been working on this $10 thrifted Trash to Treasure project piece here. It was definitely not in the best shape, but I think if nothing else, I thought we could use this to sit at and have the customers come to like a checkout area. I'm going to be sharing a space with a friend of mine who loves Shabby Chic decor, so I added the pink roses to this piece and the sign that I made as well. We thought instead of saying cash is king, we thought cash is queen bee. We thought that would be really cute instead. We are hoping that this sign encourages people to pay with cash, but we will also be offering Venmo as well. This metal tin decor piece I thrifted a while back, and I wanted to do a project, so I'm going to do that now for the show. I want to put this in the center of this piece, and I'm going to remove the grapes. It should be pretty easy to remove because it's just paper. So I went ahead and removed that, and it came off pretty easily. And then I'm going to attach the metal piece that I have to put in the center with some E6000 glue. I went ahead and painted the tin piece green and then added that metal decor piece in the center. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I went ahead and decided to make another sign because in my DIY craft stash I had this sign that I picked up at Ross for $3.99. It was just painted plain white with nothing on it. It was for a DIY project. So this was a very easy DIY project because I didn't have to paint it. It was ready to go. I just added these really cute sticker decals to it, and I was happy with it. I have this paper mache body form that I thought would be neat to dress it up a bit using Mod Podge and some cream and black toile tissue paper that I already had on hand, and cover it with using that, and I think it turned out really nice and a great way to display necklaces at the show. We had this movie room decor piece in our movie room, and we no longer needed it in our movie room, so I thought I would just give it an upcycle, uh, use it as an upcycle project and give it a makeover. So I took off all of the paper that was on the sides and used the IOD transfers in this 12 pattern that I already had on hand, left over from another project that I did, and I think this turned out really nice. This is just a few of the projects that I've been working on. I've been doing a lot more behind the scenes as well, and also just preparing and pricing everything for the show too, but I hope to see you there. I want to thank ANCHEER for sponsoring today's video. I'm excited to be unboxing the Under Desk elliptical machine. I can't wait to try this out, and it is the perfect machine to go right underneath my desk, so while I'm editing videos and working at my desk, I can be getting a workout in at the same time. ANCHEER brand is top of the line when it comes to fitness equipment, boasting a wide range of equipment to keep your body in shape, including treadmills, elliptical trainers, exercise bike, mini cycle exercise bikes, trampolines, etc. ANCHEER has been client-centered from its inception and will always be driven by their customers' demands, wants, and needs to ensure ultimate customer gratification. This also has large anti-slip pedals and a lifetime warranty. This comes with a remote control that's battery operated, and it also comes with this electrical plug-in power to use it with the power, or you can use it without the power and use it manually. And so you have two different options, electric and manual. And then it also comes with this user manual so that you have all the instructions there. Ooh, here it is. I'm so excited. And this does come in different colors. This is the color that I wanted. But like I said, you do have other options. I'm going to just pull it out of the box because I want to show you what it looks like. One of the reasons why I wanted to try out this elliptical machine was because my feet when I go to bed are so cold. Is there anyone else out there that has really cold feet when they go to bed? And then I try to rub them up against my husband, to warm my feet up. And he doesn't appreciate that so much. So I'm wondering, am I the only one out there, or do you have that same issue as well? Let me know in the comments below. My husband and I have both been wondering why I have such cold feet at night. And one of the things we read up on about it was because it could be due to a lack of good blood circulation. And so this machine, it says that it will help boost your blood circulation. So that is why I am excited to give it a try. So let's hope that this helps with that and my husband doesn't have to deal with cold feet anymore. I love that it has this little pocket storage for the remote control and this convenient handle so that you can lift it up easily and carry it wherever you need it. Next thing, I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to show you where you need to plug it in. It's right here in the front of the machine and it's kind of hard to see. Let me move the camera down so you can see, get a better look here. So it's right underneath here and you just push that in and you're ready to plug in the other end into your outlet and you're ready to go. So like I said earlier, you can use the power cord and plug it in, or leave the cord unplugged and take it wherever you want and just use it manually as well. I love that you have options with this. I also love the fact that you can watch your favorite YouTuber, wink wink, or watch your favorite movie while you're getting exercise. This is just awesome. It is also very quiet, so you don't have to worry about it being really loud. So it's not going to interrupt whatever you're doing, whatever you're working on, or if you are watching something, this will not interrupt it at all. You might have noticed when I opened up the elliptical and took it out of the box, there was a warning label on it, but I just want to make sure that I do tell you that this is definitely a machine that you have to sit down and use it. The warning label warns against standing on this machine, so you definitely have to sit down in a chair, be sitting like at your desk or on your couch or at the dining room table, wherever you want. You can use this as long as you're sitting, but I just wanted to make that clear. Another reason I was excited about trying this out is because I used to run cross country and that can be pretty rough on your joints. And so this elliptical is ideal for exercising at home or the office without stressing your joints. With this elliptical, you can also track your exercise progress using the digital monitor, keeping track of your time, your speed, calories, scan, and distance. Decrease stress, burn calories, boost your metabolism, and keep track of your progress with it. So, love that. If you are interested in one of these for yourself, I'm going to leave the information for you down in the description box below. Thank you for watching today, and please share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Merci, friends, and I will see you next French Friday. Until then, à bientôt.